here I am in my garage. You remember that guy, Tai Lopez? Tai Lopez, by the way, in a roundabout way, is one of the reasons that I'm on social media as a content creator. I started investing about 20 years ago, and day trading and swing trading about 15 years ago. When I was in my very early 20s, though, nobody was really there to guide me and like show me how to invest. I knew a little bit, but not obviously as much as I know now. And when I got on social media about 6 years ago to make finance education related content, it was in a large part due to the infomercial style of content creators who were lifting that 1990s 2 a.m. infomercial strategy and redoing it on social media, on YouTube primarily. And Tai Lopez was one of the first guys that I saw doing the here in my garage thing. And it was so glaringly obvious. And I'm not saying that maybe people haven't learned things from this guy, but the vast majority of people, his model is very predatory. I mean, come on. He's standing in his garage with a Lamborghini behind him, bookshelves all around. The emphasis in his video is, look at all the books that I've read. But the focus for you is the car, because he knows most people want a luxury car. They want to be rich. They want Lamborghinis. They want nice watches. They want tons of money. They want big, huge houses. And they don't want to put in the effort and the work to learn how to do the thing. So he stages his garage with a ton of books behind him. He's got a Lamborghini. And as he's talking about, I read all these books. I read a book a week or whatever it is. All you're looking at is that Lambo in the background going, oh, I wish I had a Lambo. And this guy reads a lot of books, so he's smart. And because he's smart and he's going to sell me his course, I can read his course and it's going to be consolidated. So I won't have to read 40 books or 80 books or 100 books. I can just read his one book and become rich. Well, I have a funny story about Tai Lopez, which is one day I walked into the gym and the person at the front desk said, hey, you're into business, right? Because people kind of knew that I was doing this stock trading thing. And the person at the front desk said, are you interested in buying Tai Lopez's course from me? I bought it. It was like $700 or $800 or some absurd amount of money. And it's just, and this is what they prey on. They tap into fear and desperation, and then they try to sell you this course that they say is consolidated, but it ends up being overwhelmingly massive. Books and books and books. And you get it and you go, oh my God, well, I'll do it one day. And then you throw it in your closet and you never do it. And that's why this person at the gym was trying to sell it for $200. So the only person who made money off of this whole thing really in the end was Tai Lopez. And now he is in big, fat trouble. He is being sued for using his Radio Shack thing as a money laundering, as a Ponzi scheme. Color me surprised. Never saw that coming.